Hi and welcome to Beach Bumbling. Today we're going to bring 4 beach walks at you on Canada Day. It's a holiday here in Canada. Normally we're sharing beaches in Mexico or the Caribbean or Central America, but today it's Ontario. This is Grand Bend. We'll be doing Port Burwell next, followed by Port Bruce, and finally Port Stanley, so you can see what the differences are between these beaches, and there are lots of differences, especially on a long weekend here in Canada. So it's about noon here in Grand Bend. Let's go. Right, so this is Canada Day. Looks like we got a band or something going on. Hey, I'm not from around here. What's going on here today?
Just a bunch of bands.
Yeah?
Yeah, and right now we're just like tuning this.
What time does it start? What music?
At 2. Yeah, and then it goes until 9.
9?
Yeah.
Right on. All right. Someone grab the end of this. All right, so this is Grand Bend on Canada Day. I knew it was going to be busy, but I didn't know it was going to be this busy. Wow. Really got to walk through this like a maze. Look down on the water side to see what it's like. Wow, that's a lot of people. The water's like. That's not bad. It's pretty crazy, right? Be interesting to see how this compares to Port Stanley today. It's not even lunchtime yet. This place is crazy. I wonder what time you'd have to get here. Hey, how's it going? I wonder what time you'd have to get here to get a spot up front. Like, probably quite early.
I've seen some I was like, I love him then.
Yeah, this is crazy. Thinning out a bit now. All right. So busy enough for you? I'll film more on the way back, but I need a drink of something. All right, let's get out of here. Guys bombing around on a jet ski. Busier than Puerto Vallarta. If you're headed down to Grand Bend today, you're late. Place is packed. And it goes like 6 or 7 deep. I thought Wybito's was busy. This is crazy though. Anyway, that's Grand Bend, about noon, Canada today. Cheers. What's up, buddy? Hey, how's it going, bud? Kinda hard to walk on the sand near the water. I think I might have screwed myself out of getting something to eat, time-wise. Hey man, look how many people are out there. And over here, see, lots of people. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, so we're gonna make our way up. See how much time I got left on the clock. Maybe grab a quick taco or something. This is crazy. I'm sweating like a son of a bitch. But that is a very packed beach.
Cover these two areas and I'll cover that.
Một hồi nấu thì mang lại vô nơi.
And we've got a bunch of washrooms and stuff here. Probably should mention in case you've never been to Grand Bend. All right, I gotta put my shoes on. Cheers. So that's pretty freaking busy, eh? So anyway, next stop is Port Burwell. So we'll link that at the end of this video. If you want to see what that looked like on Canada today, this is your opportunity. It's gonna take me a while to get there though. Anyway, cheers.